Hello, it is Vlogmas day 9 and my son and I are just hanging out in his bed. He's watching his YouTube channels. We don't really have much planned today, so I will try to think of something interesting. I just dropped my son off at school, take my mask off, and now I'm gonna go home and see what I can get done. Okay, I'm back home and it is dark in my room because I don't have any lights on, but I was just gonna say I'm gonna put away my son's clothes. I just piled up all of his pajamas and socks over here, and his pants and shirts over here. So we were doing laundry last night and he was in bed already. I just wanted to kind of have everything set and ready to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Getting a bunch of laundry going as well. Got all the water in there first. And okay, so my son's clothes are put away. I started a load of laundry, and one thing that I wish I could record is me walking up and down the stairs holding a million things. I like to make sure that I make use of my time, so whenever I'm going up the stairs I take something, and whenever I'm going down the stairs I take something. So just kind of cleaning up as you go and as you walk around really helps. Makes a huge difference. I don't spend nearly as much time cleaning up and stuff as I would if I didn't do that. So now I'm going to record some children's books to put on my Reading Mama channel and figure out what to do after that. Here's the 3 books that I'm going to read. These are Leslie Patricielli books that my son loves, and he loves anything about counting, and this is about ladybugs, and it has like these little bumps or whatever ladybug toys on there. I have a quick Walmart haul. This isn't everything because my son took something, so let me just go through it real quick. This was $98 and I'll show you why, because there were some more expensive things. So we're getting lower on the creamers. These are our favorites right now. This one I can't remember if I told you guys that it is super good. It's very creamy. I think it has a little bit higher fat. And this one's good also. We got 2 things of Goldfish. My son took one. We got 2 Pringles. My older son took the other. We got 2 pounds of kiwis to see if the kids will like those. We got a box of apple fritter donuts. My youngest son's been asking for applesauce, and he has pouches, but he won't always eat the pouches when he asks for applesauce, so he might mean these. He might get them at school. My favorite chips, my older son's favorite chips. We got a couple of these fruit cups because my youngest son loves these. They were actually cheaper in the small packs per ounce, so I went ahead and got those. And I also saw no sugar and no artificial sweeteners, so it's sweetened with monk and stevia and monk fruit. So I hope that he will like those. I think he'll be okay with it. He wanted one of these Play-Dohs, and I think we had to throw away the last of his Play-Doh because it got dried out and yucky. I got a couple Scrunchies. These are really soft knit ones. I saw this key lime yogurt, and I love this brand of yogurt, Noosa, and had to try that. I don't think I've tried it before. My older son loves these. These are like $8. So much, but he loves them. And then I saw these candles on clearance, and these are $5 each, and they're the big candles. So I got 3 of the vanilla cookie crunch because it smelled so good, like you're baking cookies, sugar cookies. And then this one was really strong, and so I thought that might be kind of fun to do as well. I compared these in the scents against the Yankee candles, which were like 3 or 4 times as expensive, and these ones smell pretty much the same as far as in strength and quality, at least to me. So I'll try them out. They were super cheap, like I said, $5. And I also got my son some special facial moisturizer. That was $10. And I think, oh yeah, we got some fabric gift bags to use for some Christmas gifts that he's giving. Sorry, he ran upstairs with them before I could film it. So there is that. We're just kind of hanging out, playing games, watching TV, having snacks. Hello. He came home from school with very wet, muddy pants. Binky song. I don't know what that means. So I took off his pants and we're gonna go get him a bath and get him ready for bed pretty soon. We're just hanging out tonight. I know how everyone loves cleaning videos, so I have to load the dishwasher again. I'm gonna go ahead and load it and show you guys. Okay, so I pretty much got everything cleaned up for the evening. I can wake up to a clean house. And I wanted to say also, I sometimes put my dish brushes in the dishwasher, and that just helps keep them a little bit cleaner. I hate it when they get nasty, so I'll replace them fairly often, and then I also put them in the dishwasher just to make sure that they're clean and sanitized. And now I am going to go play some games and relax until it's time for me to go to bed. Alright, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.